In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a promo code for Funko. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is open up a web browser, and in particular, I'm going to head on over to Google. Now in the Google search box, I'm going to type in promo codes for Funko and then hit enter, and then we'll be taken to Google search results, as you can see, and we've got a few third-party sites offering different promo codes. So we've got Real Me Not, couponfollow.com, 35% off worth the penny. We can check out any one of these sites, but the one I like to use is called couponfollow.com. So I'm going to jump into their site here, and so they've got 15% off or receive 10% off store wide at Funko, and we could check out previously offered deals. So yeah, we can have a look at their previously offered deals, that we can get a sense of what they might offer in the future. So to activate any one of these codes, just simply click on the show coupon code thing and then click copy, and then from here go to back to funko.com at the checkout section and paste the code in to enjoy 15% off your order. These codes do change daily, weekly, monthly, so be sure to check them out at different times, and they do expire as well. If you've got a code that expires, just simply move on to the next one.